Hi, my name is Nisha Patel, and this is when I learned that I am disabled. When I learned that I am disabled, I am writing about getting through 5 days of paranoid anxiety, getting through my brain not working the way it's supposed to. Did you know that disability is a social construct? That the majority define what it means to be able to thrive, that lack is problematized as weakness only because we want it to be. That in an accepting society we are all a little disabled, but no one has been told they are less. No one is left wanting more, equals before law and morality, before God. In a society where my brain doesn't work the way it's supposed to, and that's okay, we're all worth our weight in good days. And my good days aren't worth less than your good days, and that you having more good days doesn't make you more good or deserving of more days. When I Google vampires, I'm not looking for a way to live forever. I am looking for a way to be remembered for something more than my body. If a diabetic is bitten at the neck and drained, does her pancreas get immortalized too? What about my serotonin receptors or my elevated adrenaline? Does my heart still want to beat too fast, or is it stuck, not beating for anything at all? When I Google COVID symptoms for the 60th time in 400 days, I'm not looking for a reason to save myself. I am looking for a way to save others from the pharmacy counters that take too long, or the insurance paperwork that asks too much, the pills you can split by hand, or the big ones you swallow whole. I am looking for ways to reassure myself that there is hope. When I Google disability, the government of Canada says disability benefits include disability pensions and children's benefits, savings plans, and a gasoline tax refund program. And I guess that does not sound so bad when it's called a benefit. When I learned that I'm disabled, I take insulin invented 100 years ago in the same thighs I cut open at 16 under the fog of manic depression. I fight the ache of my ovaries, the beast behind breasts that bashes the gate of my ribcage. I fight the rush of bloods to my sides as I beg to never become a woman again. I say no to the birth control pills because being fat is a liability. I say yes to the IUD that renders me crippled for 2 weeks, unable to move anything below my pelvis. I say no to the SSRIs that try to kill me. I say yes to the antipsychotics that try to stop me from killing me. I go outside. Being disabled means I'm no longer a series of questions in an emergency room, a misplaced PICC line, or an x-rayed lung that proves the diagnosis wrong. And I know that knowing something is wrong is better than knowing nothing at all, living in anger or fear of sudden death. And people like me die sometimes, and no one notices. But when I die, I will notice. I will feel a sigh of relief. I will know that I did my best, and if it wasn't enough, it isn't my fault. That I tried, and that trying when your body fails is a gift. I'm not afraid to die. I'm afraid of who I might fail to be if I live in fear of death. When I Google ways to say I love you without saying I love you, I know that going to bed and waking up is one of them.